Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a chatbot with ChatGPT detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a chatbot with ChatGPT, start by choosing your development environment. You can use platforms like Python, Node.js, or even no-code solutions. Next, ensure you have access to the OpenAI API. If you don't have an account, sign up on the OpenAI website. After gaining access, retrieve your API key from the dashboard. Now, set up your development environment with the necessary libraries. For Python, install the OpenAI library using pip. Use the command pip install OpenAI in your terminal. Once the library is installed, create a new Python script. In your script, import the OpenAI library. Now, set up the API key in your script using OpenAI.API_key. Next, define a function to handle user inputs and generate responses. Inside this function, use the OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create method. Pass the model name, such as GPT 3.5 Turbo, to this method. Include the messages parameter, where you format the conversation history. Remember to structure messages as a list of dictionaries with role and content. For a basic chatbot, you'll need an initial message to start the conversation. Once the user inputs their query, append it to this messages list. Then call the OpenAI API within your function and capture the response. Extract the assistance reply from the API response object. Return this response so it can be presented to the user. Next, set up a simple interface for your chatbot. If you're using a terminal, you can implement a loop to continuously take input. For web-based chatbots, consider using frameworks like Flask or React. In your user interface, display the chatbot's responses clearly. Now test your chatbot thoroughly. Engage in various conversations to see how it handles different topics. Make adjustments based on user feedback to improve its performance. Finally, consider deploying your chatbot on a platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.